Hey y'all, hey, welcome back to my channel for another video. If you're new to my channel, my name is Sadie. This is a fashion channel, so I do a lot of fashion hauls. I want to get back into beauty videos. I haven't gotten into it just because it takes forever to edit and it don't seem like y'all be liking them videos. So yeah, y'all give me more views on those videos, I'll start doing more. But on today's video, I am going to be unboxing and showing you guys my Hermes, my first pair of Hermes sandals that I got for my birthday, and I'm so excited because I wanted these, and I actually wanted them in white. Everybody got them in white, and I'm like, I want some in white too. But I'm so glad that I got them in this color, because this color, I don't really see too many people with this color. So this is just so cute. And for like all the upcoming events that I got coming up, I think like I need me a cute new pair of sandals. So let's get into a thumbs up this video, like, comment, and subscribe. Let me know if y'all like unboxing type of videos. I typically don't do these. Like, I get a lot of stuff on the regular, and I really don't like to upload and be like, you know, because like I'm used to. So I don't know, like it's just like whatever. But anyways, so first things first. So it came in this. Let me get the shirt out of the box. So this is the box. Let's see. Maybe this light is a little bit too bright, so let me bring it down a little bit. Okay, perfect. So y'all can see this is how the box comes. I made screenshot that. So it came wrapped up in this super cute bow. I think it's size 40, 41. It says somewhere on here. Okay, it might not. Okay, I don't know. So anyways, it came in this blue box, and I think the only thing I have from Hermes is like a bracelet and some perfumes from them. That's all I ever had. So when you open it, they have these little dust bags in here, little beige dust bags. I love dust bags. I keep my dust bags because when you travel, that's the point of the dust bag. So when you travel, you don't have, like, you know, your stuff all over the place. So first things first, they give you this little card here. Okay, I don't see that. It's a little bit bright, but it says, made with utmost care. Hermes creation requires special attention. We recommend you try on the shoes on non-abrasive surfaces. We may not be able to accept your return if the sole is damaged or marked. Thank you very much for understanding. It's also the receipt in here. He never liked to give me my receipt. Oh yeah, here it go, right here. Okay, I don't know. Wait, no, this was something else on here. It was a size 40. So yeah, it was a size 40. So there's that. And then I'm usually a 41 though, but it was size 40. But I don't know, this works for me for a 40. So these are the shoes. And let's see. So these are my babies. Let me show y'all. Wait, this light is too bright. Hold on, y'all. Wait. Okay, there we go. We gotta bring it down. Okay, so this is how they look. So cute. I don't think the color's showing up that good, but yeah. So I got a size 40. This is how they look on the back. It's really soft. I don't know what this is, this material, but it's soft. But these shoes is loud. They loud. This little, y'all hear that? That's a shoe. So really pretty. I think I want to wear these tomorrow because my school is having a picnic, and I'm thinking to go, and I'm thinking to just give really girly vibes. Everybody gonna wear sneakers, and they gonna do the most, and you know, I never do that. I always do the opposite of what everybody gonna do. So I feel like let me give grown woman vibes. Grown woman vibes. So this is the shoe. It says Hermes Paris. Really pretty. You could tell like these people really, like, I'm not gonna lie, even just having this shoe, and here's the other one. Let me show you. So I'm not gonna lie, y'all, like I can see why. I'm just talking about this shoe, and I think this shoe was priced at 700 USD. So GBP, which is like the UK stuff, yeah, it's a little bit different, but yeah. So I can see why, one, they have a long waiting list. Two, like, you know, you have to like be like a shopper for them. Like, you have to have like a personal shopper. A lot of times you can't just go in a store. And I'm not gonna lie, just from these $700 sandals, like, can y'all hear that? Like, if this was a flip-flop from Walmart, you would not. You hear that? Oh, let me not scratch my shoe because I don't know if I'm gonna wear them yet. But I'm just saying, this is a shoe. It's sturdy. Look, this shoe don't bend. People like rant and rave about Hermes. So I think the next thing I want to get from them is a Twilly or whatever, like a little twilly scarf. I'll probably do that. A bracelet. I don't know. Let's see, you know, God's will. I could give me a Birkin or something, or a little Kelly bag, something. But meantime, between time, I did see something else that I could put in the place of a Birkin. And this is just me. Like, I'm gonna do me. You know, the older I get, I realize, like, listen, I'm not trying to keep up with nobody. When my bills due, y'all don't pay my bills. I'd rather get a real purse. No shade to the dupes. Don't get me wrong. I'm gonna show y'all some dupes that Temu sent me. But, like, I'm not gonna get no fake Birkin. That's just me. But let me show y'all what I do want to get in a place of that. So, hold on. Can y'all see this? You see that color? It's a mint green Coach. It's a bright green. The shoes, this color shoe is mint, but this is that's mint. This is, they say, bright green. It's the Coach pillow tabby bag, and they got a lot of room in it. Like, look, you got two sides, everything. You could carry it as a tote, or you could do it as a crossbody. Hold on, I think they're gonna show you the crossbody. You see? And you can do it as crossbody. So that's gonna come in handy for me. So I think that's gonna be my next purchase that I'm gonna get for that. But meanwhile, this was one of my last year birthday presents. It's the Philippe Lim bag, the mini. I got this from Saks when they had their summer sale, and I haven't wore this yet, but it's like a green. It's a snakeskin metallic green, right? It's a mini, right? And as y'all can see, this is it right here, right? And so I'm just like, I know everything don't have to be matchy, but am I mutting it to, like, you know, I don't know. But I'm like, you know, I feel like with some jeans and just a white t-shirt and, you know, maybe like some skinny leg jeans, like, I feel like this could be a little bop, you know, just like on some chill stuff, you know, maybe go to lunch with my mom or something. So I don't know. So y'all let me know. But I was just like, I don't know. But yeah, so I'm gonna start wearing this bag more too. And that's the thing, that's what I'm saying. Like, I be having stuff and I don't never wear it, and I just be letting stuff collect dust in my closet because I don't be going nowhere like that. But yeah, so that is my those are my little unboxing for my little birthday gifts. And then I wanted to show y'all another unboxing. This is not my birthday. This is just a package that I got. So hold on, let me set it up and then I'll come back to show y'all. Okay, so y'all, I have another package that I wanted to, like, unbox with you guys. Hold on, y'all. Let me just adjust this over here.